Hi everyone, it's me Jojo and I am bringing you a brand new mini series of fun new colour looks. So last year I had the fabulous opportunity to launch my first curation box with latest in beauty. Now little did I know it was going to sell out so quickly and be one of the fastest sales on TikTok that year. But the reviews are in and it was just a smash hit. And within my box was one of my favourite brands. They were all genius. But CrazyColor has been a brand I've been working with since I started my career on YouTube all those years ago. I used to do all my friends' colourful hair and I used to love learning to do bright dyes and colours on people and make wigs. Now, I am definitely a makeup diva and not a hair guru. So I've never, ever done hair content on here other than my own. So I'm not an expert, but I wanted to test the waters because as you guys may or may not know, I had some amazing medical care and my eyesight came back after 10 years. So I've been fortunate enough to get back to what I'm actually doing. I've been doing lots of work, a TED Talk, got the new latest in beauty coming out next and all these wonderful things. And I said to CrazyColor, I'm getting back into the swing of things. We've got the brand new studio. We've got all these gorgeous things happening. She looks like a superstar again. Just been in Vogue, just launched a huge campaign on the rain. She's been busy. But basically, I wanted to do something that would really celebrate some colour. And when I did the first latest in beauty box, I did RGB, kind of inspired by video games. It was almost like a retro, I don't even know, like it was just like a fun twist kind of thing. I don't know. I just wanted to do some colourful imagery and I made some new clothes and I made some new wigs and I was using CrazyColor products. So I said, we've got to finish this series off with the rest of the rainbow. We need to do an orange, a purple, a yellow, a blue, like a cyan. And they were like, definitely, Jojo, we'd love to see what you come up with. So they're not makeup looks. They're not superstar styling. They're not the best hair in the world. But me, getting back into the swing of things is so important. So it was a nice energetic experience for me to really have a play, dress up, have fun again and use my new toys. So CrazyColor sent me a range of their incredible dyes. Now back in the day they just did the OG vegetable dyes, but now they do fast action toners, they do the treatments, they do the shampoos, the conditioners, they do all of the goodies that you can imagine when you're dyeing your hair. So they sent me all the colours that you can ever imagine. I've got all of them, which is bonkers. That's the funny thing about my job sometimes. I used to dream like one day that I could have every product in the world and now I basically do. So it's like it's just become insane. 20 years of hard work though. So please enjoy my fabulous new mini tutorials. Just a teaser to start with, some gorgeous new looks. They're all on my website. They're with CrazyColor. Check out CrazyColor in the links below. Thank you, CrazyColor, for actually working with me on this. And it really made me feel a lot of joy about getting to content creation again because for a long while, I haven't been able to see at all. So when I go up close to do makeup, when I've been looking at the screen on the camera, I haven't been able to see the colours. I've not been able to see if the lines are correct, the symmetry, because I had a hole in my left eye. And it took a long while, various operations to get back to what I can see now. And it was only when I was in Helsinki that I discovered that my eyesight had come back because I was struck with the worst pain I've ever experienced in my life in this side of my face. And if you know anything about Finland, they don't have a sunset when I was actually the ambassador last year. So when I was doing my Pride work and all the fabulous things I got up to, I was struck down by this significant pain. Came back to the UK. I spoke to my mum and my sister and they took me to the hospital and basically we looked at the back of the eye. And I spoke a little bit about this in a blog that's coming. So stay tuned about this because I show actually what's been going on with my eye and the limitations that I've had since 2015, May. Because even I did some looks in 2016, but they were so limited. But it feels amazing to get back to where I want to be. And also, we've got my new series, Jojo Drives Us Crazy, which I never was able to do before because I wasn't able to drive with the eye injury. So we've just started our new car partnerships. My mum's involved in the videos, which is fab. I'm going to get my sister involved. And you can see my beautiful nieces if I get permission. But you get to see a little bit more about my actual life instead of the stuff that I do that's just camera ready stuff. And yeah, I'm so excited. So a little update at the end of this. I think we're looking okay. I still need to adjust like where I want to put everything. Like I'm kind of getting used to money because I've got this like sort of like structural setup. But the lights are fantastic, the camera's fantastic, the computer's fantastic, we've got everything new, so she's coming. Thank you, CrazyColor, and I'll see you all in my next series. Check out the new latest in Beauty Box. Check out all CrazyColor stuff and the Jojo Drives Us Crazy series, which is going to start off with some cozy blogs and get into the comedy videos. Wow.